There are two language versions for NCCJ Atmospheric Consistometer, Chinese version and English version. Introduction to components. Preparation before the test. Add water into the water bath. Keep the liquid level within the range between min and max. Connect the plug of power cord to the power supply. Turn on the circuit breaker and the power switch. Operating procedures. Set test time, test temperature, and heating time as required by the test. The instrument can conduct two tests under different temperatures simultaneously. Turn on the heater switch and preheat the liquid. When the temperature reaches the value required by the test, the instrument will raise an alarm. Press the alarm off switch to turn off the alarm. Prepare cement slurry according to the formula. Then put mixing paddle into slurry cup and pour cement slurry into slurry cup, keeping the slurry level no higher than the inscribed line for liquid level. Put the slurry cup into the water bath and insert locking pins into grooves of the rotor. Turn on the timer switch and the motor switch. The instrument will start to cure the cement slurry. The instrument will raise a pre-alarm when the test has been conducted for 90 minutes. Press the alarm off switch to turn off the alarm. When reaching the set time, the alarm will sound for a long time to give a warning. Press the alarm off switch. Turn off the heater switch and the timer switch. Press stop and continue to pull the timer switch downward to clear the timing data. Take out the mixing slurry cup. Pour the cement slurry into the container prepared for the next test and clean the slurry cup carefully and thoroughly. Cooling function. Supply water through the cooling water inlet and take proper measures to drain water through cooling water outlet. Open the cooling water valve and then the cooling water flows through the cooling coil to lower the temperature, and the temperature change can be observed through the touch screen. Calibration and parameter settings. Temperature calibration. Tap the cal button and reset button. Put a thermometer into the water bath and then take down the thermometer reading. Tap low temp.cal and input the thermometer reading. Tap deviation value of low temp.cal and input the deviation value through the touch screen. Turn on the heater switch when preset temperature is reached. Turn it off. Put a thermometer into the water bath and then take down the thermometer reading. Tap high temp.cal and input the thermometer reading. Tap deviation value of high temp.cal and input the deviation value through the touch screen. Tap cal dot button to complete temperature calibration and tap return button at the lower right to return to the interface of test data. Parameter settings.